HQ says take out that machine gun.
Nailed it!
Boom Beach, come with a plan or leave in defeat.
This is China Television. Urgent bulletin. Global animal escapes and aggression reported since 7 点 Beijing time. Casualties and damage occurred. Immediately seek shelter indoors. Avoid all animals. Authorities are responding. Cause unknown. This is a global emergency. Stay tuned for updates.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included. Book now with Jet2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. APTRA National Protected.
This is China Television with a critical emergency update. The World Health Organization has confirmed a novel contagious virus. Infected individuals exhibit extreme aggression. Transmission occurs solely through attacks by the infected. A terrifying exponential rise in violent assaults is reported nationwide. It remains uncertain if all incidents are linked to the virus. Confirmed infected individuals have been sighted on major highways. Avoid all travel on G4, G6, G15, G42, and G50. The Emergency Powers Act is now in effect. A full lockdown is mandated for the next 48 hours. Anyone violating the stay-at-home order will be met with lethal force. This is a direct order for your survival. Do not go outside under any circumstances. All citizens must shelter in place immediately. We will provide updates as new information is confirmed. Stay tuned to this frequency for official instructions. This is China Television.
Zombies are rampant now, and even if the Emergency Powers Act is passed, it will only be a remedial matter. Coming soon to breaking news.
This is China Television, continuing our emergency coverage. The United Nations is convening an urgent closed-door session. The sole agenda item is a vote to authorize tactical nuclear strikes for sanitizing infected zones. Separately, our forces are reporting contact with a new class of mutated biological entities. Their forms are predominantly humanoid in nature. These entities possess severe anatomical deviations. Documented mutations include functional wings and bestial auditory organs, among others. These entities possess severe anatomical deviations. Documented mutations include functional wings and bestial auditory organs, among others. A universal identifying feature is a luminous, floating halo above the head. Ballistic ammunition has proven completely ineffective against them. All entities are armed with brightly colored thermal weaponry of unknown capability. Their origin and intent remain a total mystery. All citizens are reminded the Emergency Powers Act remains in full effect. The mandatory lockdown is your only protection. We urge extreme caution. Do not attempt to engage any hostiles. Stay indoors and await further instructions from national authorities. This is China Television. This is China Television, an emergency broadcast. The United Nations has passed the nuclear resolution. Our nation will face nuclear strikes in 15 minutes. The following locations are confirmed primary targets: Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Tianjin, Chongqing, Wuhan, Chengdu, Xi'an, Hangzhou, Nanjing, Qingdao, Zhengzhou, Changsha, Suzhou, Xiamen, Shenyang, Dalian, Ningbo, Foshan. All citizens in these zones must seek deep shelter now. Proceed to the nearest underground facility immediately. Those outside must lie flat in ditches or concrete structures. Cover your eyes and do not look at the flash. This is the final warning. May fortune protect our people. This is China Television.